What is going on? We are here in San Jose, Redwall with
You even know my name, fool. Shit. MPS Photography, what's going on?
Not much. Got invited today. It's been a long time that I've been wanting to work with you, simply to capture BTS, and today has finally landed. What do you got going on today?
We're shooting two ladies today, Halloween theme, and then we're shooting Jennifer afterwards, kind of the same kind of idea. We got red wings going on, we got LED lights, we got dope shit coming up.
It's amazing what they
smoke.
can control.
Yeah, this is our first time shooting here, and we're super stoked to check it out. So we're gonna shoot video today, we're gonna shoot some photo, and make some dope shit. What are you shooting today? What are you shooting today?
BTS, a little bit behind the scenes of you doing your work, the girls, you know, modeling it up, and then a little bit of the light action. Just gonna create something for you and myself just to put on social media.
Yeah.
That way people can look into what he does, get a feel of how he works around his clients, what I can capture, and then, yeah, it should be pretty dope. Just the behind the scenes, what people don't get to see. They get to see the best of what you make, but not the work that goes into creating it.
Joel said it best, man. Everyone sees the final product, but they don't know what goes into it, just like fitness. They see what people look like on stage, but knowing the meals, the training, the lack of sleep, going to the bathroom 10 times a night, eating fish when you hate it, eating oatmeal when you hate it. All that sacrifice goes into the final product. We're gonna display that today. I hope you guys learned something. I'm a strobe guy. I never use LEDs for photo shoots, but today we're using LEDs only. So take a look at what we do. Hope you learned something. Take it easy, guys. As you can see with the shoot, we're using mainly one LED light. I did two at one point just to get probably a side moody rim. But majority of the shoot so far is one LED light. We tried a few of them at one time. It didn't really matter, but it's coming out pretty sick. Hope you guys are learning something, but we're gonna get back to the shoot. Stay tuned. So as you can see today, we did one light, mainly for our key light, and the rest was LEDs all around. Shutter speed about 250. I kept the f-stop between 2.5. ISO was between 640 and 800. Everything came out clean. It gave me a lot of detail still, and I had room to pop all the colors. So take a look at some of the shots we got here today. Hope you learned something. LEDs are not very hard to work with. What you see is what you shoot. Simple, all right? Take it easy, guys.